Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making this plaque. And I got this plaque mould and I really liked it, and I thought that is going to be a really useful mould. But I'm going to make this into a Christmassy plaque. So what I'm going to do first is, before I even make this mould, is put a very thin layer of a translucent pigment underneath. And the translucent colour that I think I'm going to be using for this is going to be a yellow. So I'm not going to make this too deep, because obviously I want to put these decals in it as well. Yeah, I think that is definitely going to be enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that cure up. I might pop a bit of glitter. As if I'm not going to pop a bit of glitter in it. I am going to pop a bit of glitter in it. I'm going to pop a little bit of the gold glitter in it, because you know how much I loves me gold. And so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of glitter in it. I'm not going to I'm really not going to overdo it. I might overdo it. There we go. That's enough. No more. Stop it. Actually, I could put some big chunks of glitter in it, couldn't I? Oh, I might put just a few of these, not many, as well. I'm probably overdoing it. I just love glitter. Oh, that'll do. No more, no more. Stop, stop, stop. Well, this has now been curing for about 2 hours, and actually it's as cured up as I want it to be, ready for putting in these transfers, because I want these to go in while this is still slightly wet or uncured. And as you can see, it is okay, but it does still bend quite a lot. I might not use all of these, but what I definitely want to use is the one that says Merry Christmas, and I want that to be fairly up the top, even though it's quite a small, very Merry Christmas, because I want to have Merry Christmas there, and then all is calm, all is bright here. And can you see that is now going into there? And what will happen is that'll sit in there, and then it will stick down to it, and also you're less likely to see those cut edges where I've trimmed this up. Now, I definitely want to have some gifts around, and I want this word joy in here, and I want the word joy there, because I think that fits into it quite nicely. But I want to offset that being quite large with the boot, with everything in it. There. I'm just popping those down. Okay, so I'm also going to put, I think, the little star in as well, because I quite like that. And that will go there. If you want to know how I make these transfers, and they're really, really easy, then check out the video that comes up at the end. Also, I'd just like to say a really big thank you to all my members. Thank you so much. Without you people and the people that buy me coffees on a regular basis, I would not be able to continue with this channel, because it is quite expensive. So thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to be a member, then just click on the join button. It's no obligation. And then what you'll find is that it will tell you all about it. I think that's enough in there at the moment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let that finish curing, and then I'm going to pour a clear coat over the top. And then I'll show you how I then turn it into a hanging plaque that you can put on your door or anywhere you want to put it. So that's cured enough now with these little transfers in there to have its final coat on it. This is just a clear coat, and I'm just going to pour the clear coat over the top, like so. I'll let this cure up, and then I'll show you how to turn it into a sign or a plaque. This is cured now, so I'm quite looking forward to taking it out of its mould. Taking some of the mould gives you so much satisfaction. I really quite like it from the back, but I have to say I very much like it from the front. I think that has come out really, really nicely. The simple thing is, as well, just use some quite large rings, like so. A little bit of chain, pop that on there, Pop that on there. And you can make these up as much as you like. You could do happy birthday ones. You could do your name of the house and lots of different things on there. And it is quite a nice thickness as well. So as a result, you're getting quite a good plaque. So there we go. I finished these and I made the second one just to show you what other things that you could do. So time for cake. You could also put open and closed on each side as well. And shops could use it for that. And they hang up really nicely. And using the transparent colours, I think really does set them off well. Let me know what you think of these in the comments. I hope you like them. I absolutely love them. Really simple mould. And you can get some great effects with it. Check out the video coming up next. You're not going to want to miss this one. Remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that I've got coming out. Take care. Enjoy your resin. Bye.